What is a genetics fact that not a lot of people know? 1. Since navel oranges have no seeds, they are all clones of the original mutated fruit discovered by a Brazilian monk a century ago. The billions and billions of navel oranges that have been grown, sold, and consumed since are all genetically identical. 2. Cheetahs are extremely inbred. They had a massive bottleneck about 10,000 years ago and had too little diversity to fully recover. 3. There's a genetic disease called Laron syndrome that makes you shorter in stature, a longer life expectancy, and near immunity to cancer and diabetes. 4. Birthing identical twins is not an inherited trait. It's random. Fraternal twinning is inherited, but only from mother to daughter. My mother-in-law took credit for me having identical twins because she had fraternal twin siblings. When I explained that genetics proved her wrong, she was not having it. 5. 40 to 50% of our DNA is the same as cabbage. 6. Thanks to chimerism, it's possible for a woman to bear children to which she is technically their aunt, not their mother. 7. I think they know but disregard it. But just because you date an above-average height person doesn't mean your children will match or exceed the height of the taller person, especially if you're very short. 8. Two brown-eyed parents can have a blue-eyed child. 9. There is a gene called TP53. It's referred to as the guardian of the genome. It is a tumor suppressor gene and prevents cancer of all types. Humans have 2 copies, and if one is broken, mutated, it causes an inherited condition called Li-Fraumeni. People with this have a very high risks for cancer, and the condition can be passed down in families. Elephants have 20 copies of TP53 and therefore rarely get cancer. The Li-Fraumeni Foundation uses the elephant as its mascot, and hopefully, we can someday figure out how to replace faulty TP53 genes for these families. 10. Potatoes have more chromosomes than humans.